Live 95 FM. Limerick's official radio partner to Munster Rugby. Limerick's Live 95 FM.
Atmosphere here in Thomond Park in the Dugout Bar ahead of the Heineken Cup match, Munster versus Northampton. Don't forget, we'll be back here for the Rabo Pro Direct 12 match on the 26th of November. So make sure you join us then for all the pre-match preparation. All that's left for us to say is, come on Munster!
Limerick's Live 95 FM, live from the Dugout in Thomond Park.